Hi there, I'm Roxanne Waite. This is 60-second sessions. Whether you're a freshly minted graduate without any job experience or seasoned professionals, employers want to know if you are a good match for their business. They want to know how much you know about their company and whether you're interested enough to have done some research about them. So they will ask you, what can you bring to this company? Why do you think you will be successful in this job? And why should we hire you? These questions actually give you a chance to sell yourself. Just because you don't have any work experience doesn't mean to say that you're not the best person for the job. You may have skills that others do not. Knowledge of a particular computer program or app, unique volunteer experience. You may be a natural leader, or you may be a creative and have the ability to generate new ideas in a snap. You need to show them that you understand the company and you know how your skills can be used in the business. Don't be afraid to admit that you have a lot to learn and that you want to do so with the company that you're interviewing with.